Hey guys, Adrian here from Redwater Dodge, the home of rig ready Rams, rig ready proves and rig ready used. Talking about rig ready Rams, guys, we just got this one built. It's a 2026 Ram 3500 Laramie Mega Cab Night Edition. So this one's got the 3-to-1 lift kit. It's got the beautiful bright white color, which we did go ahead paint match the grille and emblem just to make it a little bit more unique. Under the hood is the 6.7 high-output Cummins with the new 8-speed ZF transmission. While up the front, we do have the quad beam projector style headlights with the LEDs, daytimes and fog lights. We have some 22-inch armed off-road rims, some 35-inch tires. Got the nice lift kit as I mentioned. We got the color matched Bushwacker style flares with the black hardware, Trigger Industry kickback flaps. This truck is a level 1 plus, guys, so it does give us some good options like power mirrors with the power folding, sliding, and heated and blind spot monitoring option. Leather wrap dash, Alpine audio system with the 12-inch display. We do have auxiliary switches there for you, so you can apply anything as far as external lights or anything like that. Leather heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger. We do have a full sunroof on top too. And then we go to the back. This is the largest cab available to the market in any brand, guys. So we got the Mega Cab here. We can recline the seats. We can fold them down flat. We can sleep on it if we need. Full leather trim throughout the whole truck. 6.5-foot box coming under the rear. We got everything all smoked out as far as the taillights. Big oversized MBRP black exhaust tip. Class 5 hitch receiver. Spread bedliner with 5th wheel prep package and bed utility group with the lights and all that. Go around the side here. Spike lug nuts too, because why not? Now to the driver's side. Leather wrap steering wheel we all know and love. We got the full digital dash. We have adaptive cruise, all the fun safety options too, like blind spot monitoring, advanced braking, cross path detection, all that stuff. Memory seats, everything's all heated, like the wheel and all that stuff too. So guys, for more information on this one, just give us a call, 780-942-3629.